So we need to solve the next problem. We are given an array of integers, for example, an array with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are given an integer target, for instance, number 5. We need to find indexes of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. In this case, we could find the number 2 with index 1 and the number 3 with the index 2. A sum of these two numbers equals the given target that equals 5. As a result, we have to return an array with the found indexes. In this case, it's an array with indexes 1 and 2. Alright, let's start writing a function called sum_of_2. That takes in two parameters, an array called r and a number called target. First, I'll create a constant variable dict and assign it an empty object. I'll use it later to keep track of the elements in the array. Now, I need to loop through the array and I will use for loop. It will start with an index equals 0 and repeat until the index is less than the length of the array. In each iteration, the index will increase by 1. Into the loop, for each element of the array, I will calculate a difference between the target and the current element. And I'll put it into a constant variable div. So now I know to get the target by getting with the current element, I need a number equal to the div variable. To check the presence of this number in the array, I will use the previously created dict object, and for that, in each iteration, I will add a property for the dict object by a key equal current element. And as a value, I will assign this property the index of the current element. Before this expression, I will create a condition for checking that div exists as a property in the dict object. If this condition is true, it means that there is another element in the array that can be added to the current element to get the target. It means that both elements are found, and I can return an array with the current index and the value of the property by a key equal diff. And just in a case, in the end of the function, I will return an empty array. So let's test our solution by printing the results with different parameters. Oh. So the first result is the indexes 2 and 1, and it's a correct result because number 3 plus 2 equals 5. And the second result is also correct because a sum of 4 and 2 equals 6.